We'll guide you through how to use the average formula in Excel. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Using a formula to calculate the average is convenient and time-saving, so we'll guide you through this step by step. Open up the Excel file you want to do this in, and what you need to do is go and choose the cell you want to go and have it. In this case, I'll have it below the mark column here, as I want to calculate the average for that. I'm going to go and just label it average like so. So select the cell and you can press equals. Now you want to go and type in average like so and put an open bracket. Click on the cell where you want to start calculating the average and drag and select them like so. With them selected, go and put in a close bracket and you can then press enter. And as you can see, it's calculated. It's that straightforward. Of course, you can then go and repeat that for other cells as well. If you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to catch you in the next one. Have an awesome day and feel free to check out the channel for more useful guides.